Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we have started with the petty cash book. So today we will solve one illustration so that the idea become clear before you regarding preparation of petty cash book. So this is analytical petty cash book, that is columnar petty cash book, which has two sides, left side for recording receipt of cash and right side for recording payments. Now this is the illustration before you. So the details are being given starting from January 2020, Jan 1, 2, 3, so on. But the first one you can see receive cash from cashier. Okay, so on, and so we will start making preparation of the same. So here you can see the various column heading. You will start with analytical petty cash book, and you can see the receipt. On the receipt, that is the amount received, rupees 1000, isn't it? So left side is used for recording receipt of cash. So receipt of cash, that is 1000, and various payments are recorded onto the, as you can see, various payments have been recorded onto the right side. So right side is used for payments. Okay, so while doing the sum, what you will do, like telegram, newspaper, stationery, soap, accordingly one by one the each transactions are recorded. First you will record each and everything in the amount paid column. Can you see the amount paid column here? So amount paid column, all the expenses are recorded right from January 2 till January 31st. All expenses. Okay, whatever expenses are given, I just read out few of the expenses for you, like telegram expense January 2, that is recorded in amount paid. Newspaper 52. So you will analysis which expenses are being repeated, and after going through that analysis, what you will do, you will prepare the columns. As you can see, after amount paid, postage. So postage, telegram, whatever expenses fall under this category of postage and telegram, you will record in this column. The next column is printing and stationery. So whatever expenses related to printing and stationery will be recorded here. As you can see, January 4 stationery 32 has been recorded here. Then you can see on January 18 again stationery has been recorded. Then you can see printing January 24 has been recorded. Okay, then you can see again 28 January stationery 55 rupees 55 has been recorded in the stationery column. Then again photo state charges, that is January 30 is again recorded in printing and stationery column. Now after printing and stationery column, the next column is traveling expense. So in traveling expense, you can see January 6 taxi fare has been recorded. Then January 8 traveling expense has been recorded. Then January 24 Tonga fare is been recorded. Then you have January 26 bus fare has been recorded. Then January 28 auto fare has been recorded. So various traveling expense have been recorded in the traveling expenses column. Moving on to the next one, that is coolie charges and carriages. So whatever expenses are related to coolie charges will be recorded here. So you can see January 6 by coolie 25 is being recorded. Then moving on to the next one, that is carriage January 18 has also been recorded. Again January 26 coolie charges has been recorded. So this is the way of doing the sum. This is the method of recording all the expenses in the particular expense column. Then you have miscellaneous. Whichever expense does not fall in any of these four columns given, then you can record the same in the miscellaneous expense. The last one, let me explain you the last one. The last one, we are going to total. We are going to do the total, and whatever balance is there will be shown as to balance CD, and in the, that is after the completion of the month, that will be the opening balance. So what you will do now, received. So cashier के पास कितना है 1000, और सारा पेमेंट जो रिकॉर्ड हुआ, पेमेंट का टोटल कितना है 982। वेरियस कॉलम का टोटल तो आपको अलग से करना ही है, लेकिन सारे कॉलम्स का टोटल 982 आया। तो कैशियर के पास 1000 था और एक्सपेंस हुआ है 982। ओके, सो 1000 शुड गेट टैली with 1000 and the difference will be 18. this is what January 31st जो हमेशा लास्ट डेट पे ही होगा, बाय बैलेंस सी डी 18,000, 18 रुपीज़ 18। ओके, सो 982 balance 18, total will be 1000, both side will get tally. So difference 18 is the balance. This balance will be carried forward in the next month, that is the first date of Feb, that is to balance BD. Okay, that will be 18 as it is been shown here. Okay, so this is how you have to do this sum. Okay, I am ending this lecture now. Thank you. Have a nice day.